how to create Litmatch accounts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to create a Litmatch account. In order to create a Litmatch account, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. The first step is you have to install the application. For that, head over to your Play Store. On the search box, type in Litmatch and then install the application. In my case, I happen to install it already. After you're done installing it, click the open button and then you can begin with the registration process. So due to some security concern, the interface won't appear, so I'm just gonna show you through the web browser. So on the web address bar, type in www.litmatch.com. And after you type in litmatch.com, that's going to take you to their official web page, which is going to look something like this. So while you're on this page, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. Now tap the three dot icon and then go to the desktop side. As you do that, it's going to show the interface in the desktop side. So I'm just going to instruct you, but you can follow this on the app itself and click the home icon from the top right hand side and then go ahead and tap on sign up button. Next interface, it's going to ask you to enter in the email address, create a password, set a username and all that. Then you can begin with creating your profile and all sort of details, entering all of that and selecting your gender, all that. And then you've successfully created your Litmatch account. And once you're done creating your Litmatch account, then you can go ahead and add friends on your Litmatch account, which is going to look something like this, and basically you can go ahead and start conversation or liking others' profiles. So that's how you can create a Litmatch account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.